Still watching movies on a tiny phone screen or an overpriced TV? A good mini projector can turn any wall into a 200-inch cinema. And right now, Amazon has some incredible deals you don't want to miss. In this video, I found 6 of the best portable projectors on Amazon. All of them currently on massive flash deals up to 55% off. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Panoseba 1080p portable mini projector, right now on a 38% flash deal, dropping from $79.99 to just $49.99. Its biggest strength is brightness and clarity. 2025 upgraded chips deliver 50% brighter and 50% clearer images than similar projectors, with an 8,000 point contrast ratio and 1080p resolution for a premium home cinema experience up to 200 inches. Two-way Bluetooth 5.2 lets you connect wireless speakers or use the projector itself as a Bluetooth speaker to play music from your phone. The advanced cooling system extends lamp life to 50,000 hours over 15 years of use, while keeping fan noise to a minimum. An HDMI adapter is required for smartphone connection and is not included, and Hulu requires a TV stick due to copyright. But for brightness, clarity, and versatility at this price, this is a solid start. You can find the product link in the description below. At number 5 on this list is the CI Best W13 upgraded mini projector, right now on a 42% flash deal, dropping from $69 to just $39.97. What makes this one special is its size, weighing only 0.52 kgs and fitting in your pocket at just 5.5 by 433 inches. It goes everywhere with you. Advanced LED technology with diffuse reflection protects your eyes from fatigue while delivering bright, clear, and color-vibrant images from 30 up to 200 inches. Built-in hi-fi stereo speakers deliver original audio fidelity. Fan noise is reduced by 80% with the latest temperature control technology, and HDMI, USB, and AV ports connect to iPhone, Android, laptops, tablets, and TV sticks with ease. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on this one, and Netflix requires a Fire Stick or Roku, but for a pocket-sized projector with 3-year warranty at this price, this is outstanding value. You can find the product link in the description below. At number 4 on this list is the King 2025 upgraded Full HD mini projector, right now on a 46% flash deal, dropping from $99 to just $53.96. Its biggest strength is durability and screen size. A 55,000-hour lamp life means you can use this projector for over 15 years, and the powerful cooling system keeps fan noise reduced by 80%. Screen size goes from 35 all the way up to 200 inches with projection distances between 3.6 and 16.4 feet. Latest color reproduction technology delivers sharp, vibrant, and accurate images. Built-in dual stereo speakers provide crystal clear sound, and HDMI, VGA, AV, and USB ports connect to smartphones, laptops, tablets, and TV sticks with ease. Netflix and streaming apps require a TV stick or Roku, and it's not ideal for business presentations, but for home theater and outdoor movie nights, this is a fantastic long-term investment. You can find the product link in the description below. At number 3 on this list is the LFS Portable Mini Projector, right now on a 46% flash deal, dropping from $69.99 to just $37.96. What makes this one stand out is its size. Designed with 2025 upgraded technology, it fits in the palm of your hand like a smartphone. German LED projection technology with an emerald glass lens delivers 1080p HD support, 24-bit true color with over 16.77 million colors, and a massive 200-inch screen display. The built-in hi-fi speaker provides excellent sound without external speakers, and the included tripod stand makes indoor and outdoor setup effortless. Compatible with USB, HDMI, AV, Chromecast, laptops, tablets, TV sticks, and smartphones. It doesn't support Netflix or Amazon Prime directly, but works perfectly with Fire Stick or Roku. If you want the most compact HD projector on this list, this is a solid pick. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily deals. You can find the product link in the description below. At number 2 on this list is the TMY V08 1080p Full HD Portable Mini Projector, and right now it's on a 50% flash deal, dropping from $99 to just $49. Its biggest strength is the included projection screen. Unlike most projectors at this price, you get a portable, foldable, and easy-to-wash screen right in the box, letting you set up your home theater anywhere instantly. Display size ranges from 32-inch up to a massive 220, with projection distances between 1.5 and 6 meters. Two-way Bluetooth 5.1 lets you connect wireless speakers or headphones for a cinematic audio experience. The 5,000 placed 1 contrast ratio and 60,000 hour lamp lifetime make this a seriously long-lasting investment. Note that smartphone mirroring requires an HDMI adapter not included in the box, but for the price and everything you get, this is an outstanding value. If this video helped you, smash that like button and drop a comment below. You can find the product link in the description below. At number 1 on this list is the Haparon H1 native 1080p Bluetooth mini projector, and it's the biggest deal here right now. With a massive 55% flash deal, it drops from $189 to just $84.09 to just $84.09. Native 1920p's 1080 resolution delivers crystal clear, sharp, and vibrant images, perfect for a home theater or bedroom setup. Bluetooth 5.1 connects wirelessly to speakers or headphones for private or shared movie nights. The built-in hi-fi stereo speakers bring movies, shows, and games to life without any extra equipment. Seamlessly compatible with Fire TV Stick, Chromecast, PS5, and most smartphones via HDMI. It requires an HDMI adapter for smartphones, which is not included, but if you want a powerful full HD projector at an unbeatable price, this is the best deal on this list. You can find the product link in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.